Before the Greek Parliament voted, the All Ordinaries was roughly steady on Friday's close. After the vote was announced and Greece lived to default another day, it steadily climbed to finish nearly 1% higher. ANZ went up 1.6% after announcing its 1,000 redundancies. JB Hi-Fi went up even though the company announced a 9% drop in profit because guidance about the future was a bit more upbeat. And Fortescue was the best of the miners, up 5%. On Friday, the Greek situation was looking a bit grim, with a growing sense that the Parliament might not pass the package of budget cuts and that Greece would therefore default next month. As a result, investors were selling on the Athens exchange and the mood across Europe and Wall Street was pretty negative. But with the passing of the bill, things have perked up on Asian markets today. The Australian dollar is also up slightly from where it was this time on Friday night against all the major currencies, although it spent much of the weekend trading below 107 US cents. Today's economic data were housing finance figures up 2.3% in December after those two rate cuts in that month and the month before. And interestingly, first home buyers have been enticed back into the market by the lower rates, with the proportion of first home buyers back to a 2-year high, although perhaps the actions by the banks over the past few days will have changed a few minds. And speaking of banks, here's a chart of bank funding costs, both 3-year and 5-year. In each case, the price is at or above where it was at the height of the crisis in 2008, which was why lending rates are going up independent of the Reserve Bank. And that's finance.